Sepetang Charcoal. This is a charcoal factory. They produce charcoal by burning the wood. Redwood just harvested from the forest are transported by boat. I am going inside the charcoal furnace. It's really dark inside. All the charcoal is removed and it is now empty. I join river cruise. The cruise include boat ride to fisherman village, going to a fish farm and eagle feeding. The fisherman lives along the river. The boats are just along the river. Fish farm have puffer fish, horseshoe crabs and others. Eagle feeding on the boat. There are hundreds of eagles around this area. Overhead bridge across sea painting. The view is beautiful on the bridge. Look out for motorcycle on the bridge.